In the past, we had a project called Pandemic Robot Orchestra, where we were making different kind of robots for different kind of instruments. This is just one of them. We also have different sort of robots for viola, violins, this kind of imitating bow robots. But it's mechanical part. It's a software. We have an AI model, IoT platform, some other apps, and all together they're aggregating the data from different sensors. It can be sensors like this. Or maybe this one's on.
I heard it does like humidity and stuff like that, correct?
It does light, noise, accelerometer, buttons. It's just for an example. I can later, with the free hand, set up another one to show. Or it can be also an app, which I actually have. We were making an example app like this, simple pad controller. This all goes to the platform using different pipelines. Like here, you can normalize your data, sensors data, like saying, for example, noise can be between 0 and 200, and you can normalize it to make a MIDI range. As well, you can generate different, using this pipeline, you can generate progressions or just some stable notes, like that. As well, you can connect it into that AI. So you have here densities and gammas, which can be also controlled by the sensors. And that all, in the end, produces either some normal progressions or some AI-generated music, which can be changing the mood or intensity or speed, BPM, depending on your values.
Is this done through a university? Is it like an art project? Like, what's the philosophy and the idea behind this technology and project in general?
So with the Robot Orchestra, it was a university project and kind of having fun during pandemic, because we wanted to do something which can be done remote and with music and with robots. It's just like idea that it's done. With the other stuff, we are in Infinity Devices. We have first of all IoT startup. We have our own IoT platform, so we are constantly looking for different applications we can do. Also happens so that our CEO and our CFO, I don't know, and a lot of other guys are anyhow into music, one way or another, because some of the professional musicians, some like me, I just have it as a hobby. And we were thinking like what we can do in the music field, and just come up with such an idea of, for example, like an interactive concert, since we have professional musicians here and electronic musicians, just because it's a kind of use case for this. You can give this kind of terminals or an app to your listeners and have some bass line going, for example, on the back. And if your audience is more active, you can make an interactivity, make the bass line go faster or higher or something like that. So that was just an idea, because we have guys who are doing concerts and an application.
So I think the idea is that you can transfer this technology onto other devices and other instruments in the future. Is that sort of an idea?
It's also, I mean, in general, IoT is, as Bruno says, IoT is the eyes of AI. So in general, it's just as many applications you can think of. It's just one of them. Music is just beautiful. It's very easy to understand, because you don't need anything special. You just hear it. That's why, we're transferring the physical world into. I mean, we're connecting physical world with the AI in as many ways we can. One of them is robots, for example, or our IoT platform.
Yeah, that's amazing. Wow, thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks.
Really appreciate it. Thanks.
Anytime.